Yo, how's it going, guys? Oh my gosh, it's currently 6:12 and we got enough time to ride. We got to, like, I think it gets dark at like 8 or something, but we just got home from school and I decided, you know what, let's just get out the dirt bike. We'll film a couple of videos and we're gonna get the dirt bike, throw in the helmet, and let's get to riding. Oh, we should be good on gas. Just filled it up a couple days ago. We're gonna let this sucker warm up. But I hope you guys are liking the videos. It's actually been a minute since I've been on this thing. If you can't tell, we just cut the field. Still need to get the ditch or something, because normally the ditch grows up, but we got the field all cut. First wheelie. Oh yeah. I've definitely gotten a little bit better at that. We're in an extra tough, so we need to be careful. Get this way. Stay away from the sun. The sun's really bad. We're gonna go this way. That was cool. That was really cool. Maybe we'll find another shed. I think they fixed these roads a little bit more. Wow, this is pretty bad right here. Dang, that is not good. They got these flags right here. I mean, that feels hard. Yeah, that could definitely cave in. Oh my gosh, that's pretty bad. Then too. Dang. Definitely want to just, good thing I got the dirt bike. Wow, that's bad. So we need to be really careful there, because he didn't know what that road was going to do. Definitely want to be careful on that sucker. Probably be gone by the time turkey season in North Carolina opens up. That's what sucks. Might be another place I go fishing this summer too. It's high right now. Hopefully it stays that way. That's just a little part of it right there, but we can come into this section right here. You guys have not seen this, but oh, I don't even know what that is, but yeah, this is probably where we're going to be fishing too. It's actually gotten a little bit higher. I don't know how. It hasn't rained in at least a week, but yeah, beaver dam right there. But I've seen a couple of beavers here, but we'll definitely be trying to fish that place sometime this summer. decide at the hunting property that we got. Because we can definitely do that. Are there any turkeys? Nope, we do not see a turkey. There, just right there. Somewhere up here, I'm fine. Oh, yep, here it is. Oh wow, God. Sorry for that sun. That's pretty bad. Just, that video, I hate that sun. We're gonna try to sneak up on these turkeys. I don't know where they're at. It's down there. Guys, the turkeys are nowhere to be found. Where in the crap did they go? They're right there. Dang. Normally they just stay in the field. Well, that's disappointing. That was a good wheelie right there. I might have got scared by this dirt bike and me talking so loud. There's gotta be some in this field. It's a big field. It's a Pepsi bottle. I wish I could get that. I ain't got nowhere to put it. Gobble, gobble, gobble. That's where I found my shed at. Somewhere in here. Not sure where it was. I never did really look for the other one. We just kind of skimmed the area. But it's got to be around here somewhere. I'm surprised we ain't finding them along there, because normally there's a bunch of deer coming through there at night. Shit. Unlevel. Oh yeah. As I see a turkey. He's way over there. I don't think y'all can see that, but he's way over yonder. I cannot sneak up on him like that. I wish I could. That'd be nice. That sounds pretty bad. So I'd much rather do videos like midday. I wouldn't have to worry about that daggone sun if I had videos midday. Surprised we see no turkeys or woodies or any type of duck today. That's really weird. Oh gosh. Golly. It's pretty bad right there. I'm just gonna keep on going because it's there too. It's pretty bad caving up there. had nothing else to film. Not until this weekend whenever we're going fishing, but that'll definitely be a show for you guys. You guys will definitely enjoy that video. But anyways guys, like this video, comment how y'all are liking the videos, and just, you know, comment what videos y'all might want in the future. And guys, subscribe to the channel, and as always, we'll see you guys on the next one.